Hello, traders. It's Matt and JC with Empire Algorithmic Trading, here to bring you your daily dose of VWAP Vision's Stock Talk.
Where the volume weighted average price helps us make sense of the market, Matt. So let's get right to it. Time for a little stock talk.
Stock Talk. All right, Jace. Well, happy Monday to you, sir. How you been today?
It's been an okay day, man. Pretty quiet. How about yourself?
Same. Can't complain. So,
Well,
what happened in the markets?
a whole lot of nothing. Pretty much kind of like it was like just like that conversation, right? A whole lot of nothing going on. Pretty quiet day. It was down 0.4% on the S&P 500. Nasdaq down 0.2%. Small caps down 1%, which would be pretty rough. But after Friday's session, it looks like a teeny little candle there. And then mid caps down 0.8% as well. And then same thing with bonds. Bonds were down just a hair. But well inside of Friday's action. So no green zone, no follow through, but could just be two back-to-back very easy days. We do have NVIDIA coming, which will probably be a catalyst one way or the other. So just a little more calm before the storm.
It is crazy that is how quick the market wrap up was today. It just goes to show the level of ho-hum that it was. So
It was a whole lot of nothing.
Well, as I said, that is the general market wrap up. We are next going to get into some of our big movers. And again, as always, head on over to our Patreon to check out and get your access to these movers before they make their moves, whether up or down. It's patreon.com/Empire Algorithmic Trading, where you get access to our daily algorithmic buy and sell signals, get access to our arrow review, those arrow signals, some educational videos, and just a cool group of traders. So, Jace, who moved? Where'd they go?
Some went up, some went down. So IREN went up a solid 7.9%,
Wow.
7.89%. Shook me out for sure. That's a really strong follow through.
Yeah.
SoFi up 4.5%, and then Seagate, STX up 4.8%. So pretty nice days there. On the downside, we had Lemonade round tripping its breakout. Tempus, pretty bearish look there. Opened up high and then closed in both. Total outside day. Opened higher than yesterday's close and closed lower than yesterday's open. So pretty
Mm.
negative look there. And then Transmedics just continuing to show that why you want to cut your losses
Yep.
tight. You know, I got in at 132, which now looks foolish. Got out at 125, which looks pretty smart. So the stock's trading about 115. So it's that's just the nature of the game. So just a good idea of why you want to cut your losses. But yeah, all in all, pretty quiet session overall, and we'll just kind of see what tomorrow brings. But of course, the big dog on Wednesday reports, and that'll probably set a mood.
I have a feeling tomorrow could potentially also be a subdued day as everybody kind of waits for Wednesday. So, well, that is it for us here at VWAP Vision Stock Talk. Thank you so much for listening on Spotify or watching on YouTube. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and also rate and review us on there. It helps us bump up in the ratings. You can check out our socials on Facebook, Instagram, Blue Sky, and X, or anywhere that you consume your trading media. We like to be there. If you want to know more about who we are and what we do, check out our website, VWAPvision.com. That's VWAPvision.com. And as always, the good stuff can be found over at Patreon, patreon.com/Empire Algorithmic Trading, where you get access again to those daily buy sell signals from our algorithm. You get access to some just educational videos where Jason and I talk about how we use the signals in our personal trading. And you also get access to a cool group of traders over there. So check that out, patreon.com/Empire Algorithmic Trading. And Jace, I can't wait to see you for Arrow Review here soon, bud.
Now, see you in a little bit, Matt. Talk to you soon.
Happy trading, buddy.
Yeah, bye.